Welcome to the Windows Club. If a keyboard key is stuck and the computer keeps typing the same letter continuously, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolutions. First of all, clean the keyboard physically because the main cause of this issue is that dust gets stuck beneath the key. If this helps, well and good. If not, then you can consider reinstalling the keyboard driver. But a better way to do this is to go to intel.com and search for driver and support assistant in the Intel search bar at the top right corner here. Then download this tool and run it on your computer. The third solution would be to run the Keyboard Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and then click on Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down to the Keyboard Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it. The next solution would be to change the repeat rate. Search for keyboard in the Windows search bar and click on this option to open the keyboard properties. In the keyboard properties, change the repeat delay to something which is longer and then click on Apply and finally on OK to save the settings. Lastly, you can consider turning off the filter keys. Go to the settings window once again as we did earlier. Click on accessibility on the list on the left hand side and then search for keyboard in this list. Click on it. If filter keys is turned on, then please turn it off. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.